All right, let's talk about PPF warranty versus maintenance versus longevity. Three very different things. Now, all of your reputable PPF companies have a warranty of between 10 and 12 years against peeling, cracking, and fading, right? Here's the thing. You are expected to properly maintain that product for that company to validate that warranty. When you go and buy a new vehicle from Lexus or Porsche, Mercedes, Ford, wherever, your vehicle comes with a warranty, right? But for that company, that manufacturer, to validate that warranty means that you have to properly maintain that vehicle. Oil changes when they recommend, change of fluids, etc., etc. That leads us to properly maintaining that film. Properly maintaining your film is not that hard. As long as you're properly maintaining the vehicle itself, you're maintaining the film. If you're ceramic coating the vehicle, you're ceramic coating the film. Or if you're keeping your vehicle sealed, keep the film properly sealed. If there's bird poop or bugs on the film, remove them as soon as you can. Maintaining your vehicle is far easier today than it has ever been. Now, maintenance, proper maintenance leads us to durability. Now, durability, let's be real. 10 to 12 years is a long time for a sticker to be stuck on your vehicle. It's a long time in general, right? So, a vehicle that daily drives sees 485, 77, 85, 74, you name it, constantly. That film is going to take a beating. The durability of the film on that car versus a vehicle that, let's say, is just a weekend ride and maybe sees a few thousand miles a year, sits inside the garage, the durability of that vehicle is going to be far longer than that daily driven vehicle that sits outside. Now, if you're constantly driving your vehicle through brush washes, which if you are, shame, shame, the durability of that film is not going to be anywhere as long as the other two things that I mentioned. So, PPF warranty versus maintenance versus durability. Three different things. Three things you should understand before you have film put on your vehicle. Now, how do I know when that product is done? Let's be real. You're going to be able to tell. That film will start fading. That's your initial, okay, we're at end of life here. The sooner you have that product removed, the better. The longer you wait, the more costly it is going to be to replace that film. That's just how it is. Now, if you have any questions, concerns, or you want to protect your vehicle, reach out. www.carolinasfinestdetailing.com. You guys know the drill. Call or shoot me a text, 337-319-2889, or just shoot me an email, carolinasfinestdetailing@gmail.com.